Hello Internet, this is a guide on how to replace an iPhone battery for whatever reason, may it be faulty, broken, or simply replacing it for a longer lasting battery. Disclaimer, using this method you run a risk of damaging the internal hardware of the phone and or battery. Following the directions on these videos will void your warranty. Practice extreme caution whilst undergoing this repair. For this replacement you will need to purchase an iPhone repair kit and a replacement battery either online or at a local hardware store for about $20 to $30. For this repair we will be using the following tools. Alright, first you'll need to power off the phone to prevent any damage while performing this repair. Next, you need a pentalobe screwdriver to remove the two screws at the bottom of the phone next to the charging port. These can be easily lost, so place them in a safe location. Place the suction cup as close to the home button without breaking the suction. Then, using a plastic, not metal as it will scratch your screen, case open the tool, lift the screen using the suction cup. This will often take quite a bit of effort to do. Only lift the screen at almost 90 degrees, as lifting it any higher could tear the ribbon cables. Next, you'll need to remove two small screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Store these away safely. One of them is there, one of them is that one. Once these are removed, take out the small metal shield protecting the battery connector. It should just pop out like that. Unclip this connector using the plastic tool and carefully pry the battery out. Now next you'll need to put in your replacement battery and clip in the connector. And now we just do the same process but in reverse. Replace the metal shield and the two matching screws. No, why you do this to me? For these steps you may need an extra hand. Pull that screen, like that. Beautiful. Once that is back in place, this part here, the metal shield, then you may close the case. Make sure the screen is firmly back in place, with the top of it back in first, and the rest of it just push down. It should clip in like that. Lastly, you need to replace the two screws at the bottom of the phone. Turn on your phone and then the replacement is complete.
Let's just make sure it actually does turn on.
Yay!
Woo, we did NASA.
NASA.
No one's got anything on us. We landed a man on the moon and we changed an iPhone back.
Next, you'll need a pencil-like screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the bottom of the... Place a suction cup. Great timing.
Oh,